In this video, we're going to be looking at the screw modifier, and I'm going to actually go ahead and delete this object from the viewport, and we're going to add a cylinder. So down here to cylinder. I'm going to change this to vertices 3. So I just get a triangular prism there, and I'm going to leave the rest of that pretty much the same. Looks good. In my modifiers over here in the properties editor, I'm going to click on modifier. I'm going to go down to the generate column and select screw, and then we're going to change this from 360 for right now just to 10 to kind of see what it's doing a little bit. So there we have it, kind of overlapping by 10 degrees. If I move this up more, I can see it change and go around. Number of steps, if I change this to 3 steps, then I see that there's 3 sections that it created. Render steps would be, of course, if I render it, I'm going to go ahead and set that just to 3 for right now, 2 as well. Change this to cycles. So that should be about the same there. And then if I increase render steps, I should see more sections appearing. And not that I really noticed there. It still looks like 3 to me. And I did render steps 308, so not sure the difference there that makes, but we'll go on with this. So I'm going to do Shift Z back to that. Iterations is how many times it'll repeat that. So if I increase this, it'll actually go and do another whole step. If I do it more, it'll do more. I can go back to 1 though. And up here in the top right of the modifier, we have this thing that says screw. If I level that up, it'll actually start to pull it up a little bit. And so now, if I take my iterations and I increase this, goes up. Looks like I have a little drill bit here. And if I take my angle and increase that, I can pull things around pretty tight. And of course, if I increase my steps, I get a much smoother gradation of this going around. And that's what the modifier does. Can be very useful, especially if you're doing something like this where you want it to go around very easily and quickly. Have fun experimenting. That's it for this one.